First of all, you have the idea, something is in your mind, how could it look, but you're never 100% sure, is it the right thing? Are we doing it really perfectly?
Well, honestly, it's been one of the most fun experiences in a long time to shoot AMG. It's been great to shoot so many cars as well, not just one.
I'm out in Madrid, Spain on location shoot. I'm proud to be out here right now with the Access All Areas AMG campaign, and they've been kind enough to put me in the C63, so it's powerful as it is beautiful.
Get into the car, and this is your baby, this is the thing you love.
He had what he wants and was really super confident.
Turn on the engine, and basically we can do all this water sort of evaporating into the car, so it looks like this thing is animal is coming to life.
He just was, acting while the car was static, and I said, okay, let's do it for real. Put it into first gear, and he just lit it up. And in that moment, there wasn't any direction needed. The car did all the direction.
Suddenly you see another car, it's S65, another night out. You pull up and you see each other, it's just a nod of acknowledgement.
The day we arrived out there, we had almost 3 inches of snow. That, in fact, actually helped us and looked actually more like the storm.
Nice, go, keep it now on this corner, let him come off, hand left, go, time to go. Full gas.
We're a little stuck with all the effects, and there's no way to make the schedule look.
We ended up, a lot of things sort of changed as we shot, and the challenge was there, the driving performance was there. But it was almost like you couldn't stop us with the camera.
Action! A very beautiful model. We paid a lot of money for this girl.
It's not only the excitement and the passion that you can feel, but also the way they handle the cars, the professionalism that we have here. It's just incredible, and it only can be a big success.
Somos un equipo bastante grande y encantador. Cada uno aquí habla en un idioma distinto, pero nos comunicamos todos a la perfección.
¡Que se mueve el coche!
Okay, go up the hill now, guys. It's up. Go. Action. All right, nice one, everybody. Bravo.
This time, I think the notion of you driving an AMG and really getting some feedback and visceral feeling and a feeling of emotion is not only genuine, but the actors had it, I feel it.
This is our last night at the Airbus military base in Seville. We've been shooting in Spain for 4 days. We've had -5 temperatures and snow and rain, so it's been a really amazing experience. And this is the kind of performance that you expect for AMG.
Thanks for the hard work, it'll be a really good film.
China is the first market to shoot an AMG TVC. That shows how important China is for AMG.